picture of my toe. Especially the blood. Look at the blood. Look how thin my blood is. It's like lemon water. Yeah, man. No. Set you up on my death certificate. They're going to say death unknown. Because they're not going to know what I died of. Look how it's bleeding. Oh. Oh. I cut my toe now, but I cut my toe off instead. I'm going to send this to Brahma. Shara's not funny, you know. Look at my blood. Look at that. Look there how much I've lost. Look. Look at it. This is bad, you know. No wonder I'm always weak. Oh, yes, no, that's not. My blood's not so bloody orange.
Well, only humans have red.
Sherry, I cut a piece out of my toe. I even took my blood.
And you're going to leave the plaster paper on the floor.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Say no forever. My death certificate is unknown death because they won't know what I died from. If ever I'm in a car accident and the ambulance comes, he must have a blood bank with him. Because look at my toe, please. My boobs are hanging down, yeah, and it's hot.
I still don't know what you want to eat.
Taking photos of me about eating.
Rob, you run out of school.
Have a pancake then, nice. You get my blood, eh? Got my blood. Fixed up. I hurt myself again, you take a photo. I better not fall really and hurt myself. Eh? See you.
Bye.